Eric, it's so ass. The McChicken Mac is ass.
How often do you usually eat shit? I don't know. Every day. I eat it every day. Fast on
Do you
Friday.
have
Not
taste
allowed.
buds? Rams doesn't have taste buds. You guys want to know something? Before we started stream, this guy chugged ketchup.
I think if I had a Big Mac.
Do you
I do
want?
one
Do you
meal a
want
day.
my meat in a Big Mac?
That's fine. But I'm not gonna lie. I could have a steak dinner every single day for the rest of my life and be like very happy. But I have to have a fully loaded baked potato with butter and bacon bits. Ha!
Yo, you really want to go to the keg? I can hear it in your voice.
I know.
You're angry. Regret got shit on what you're feeling now.
Dude, if you weren't
Mad
leaving,
'cause
I'd
you're
be down
not like
tomorrow.
me. Okay, when are we going?
We can't. You're leaving.
Let's go today.
I can't. I'm fasting.
But we're doing the charity. And I realized we actually kind of have to go in person
Why?
because we need to put it under charitable donations
Wait,
under
how
the
does that even
company.
work? How does that even work?
What do you mean?
Like in person to put it under. Where's the proof?
What do you mean? Where's the proof?
Like where's the proof that you actually gave it? Like how do the books know?
How do our books know? Because it gets deducted out of a check.
Yeah, but like let's say we get audited and they go, how do we know this money actually went to sick kids?
It
Did they
says
gi- do they give you, like, a
name it
thing?
out to someone on a check. So it's gonna say sick kids deposited.
Oh, we'll get the deposited. Oh my god, this is very true, very nice, very kind, very sexy. Brother, wow, that 800 short. Wish I took it. High key. Can't even
Yeah, you want to see along?
go off to 700?
I'll show you along. I did. No, I didn't. I gave today's. Told you I was gonna take the long.
But have you got to be skidding me?
Moving my stop up, guys. Trailing hard. Wow, look at that long. Look at that long, baby. And took. I'm up $400.
I'm up $300. Wow. Sometimes life is simple.
Sometimes when we touch,
Sometimes when we touch, it
the
always
arguments
seems
seem like
too
too
much.
much. Sometimes when
Rams,
you're
move my
looking
shorts.
through the
Move
glass.
my shorts.
Sometimes when you see me in a dance.
What?
You guys want to see it again?
How do I do this?
Do you guys want to see it again? Yes or no?
See what?
The long.
I feel like
You
we
have
need
to
to
wait.
reclaim 700. All right.
They have to wait.
I understand.
There it is. I have my stop. Might lose on this one. We'll see.
This guy's tweaking. Tweaking with the scalps. If we hold the 700 though, I could fully see a nice push. That is the only thing. Ace, are you on evals? Ace doesn't have any evals. Every single account he passed and is funded.
Lose on this one.
Where's your SL? 88 SLs?
You could put it. That's risk.
That's true. That is true.
It's at 700 right now.
It needs to
There we go.
break.
We're green. I'm red again. I don't
It
have the
needs
best
to
fill on
break.
this. To be honest, I don't have the best fill.
Yeah, my fill kind of sucks.
To be honest, even like 90 is a good SL.
Huh?
90.
But stop whispering. Your mic doesn't pick you up, you dummy. Like, lock in, brother.
Tell me what to do.
Oh my god, market's about to open. In 45 seconds.
Sometime when I touch. Oh, I got stopped.
I got filled. Got cooked.
I'm still green.
It is what it is.
I'm still.
But stop whispering. Nobody can hear you.
Yes, they can.
Oh my
Yes,
god.
they can.
120 from passing the TPT eval, but still have 2 days to pass, so locking it out. Dub.
Ugh.
Love to see it. Love to see the
Do you
almost
guys
passing.
sometimes when we touch that the arguments they just seem like too much?
Ace, how's your head, brother? He's kind of retarded today, but it's okay.
Oh, that's a bad word. That's a
Oh
bad
my
word.
god, I'm gonna get banned.
That's a bad word. It's anti-bullying day.
Oh,
Here's
sorry.
700 again.
Is that real, by the
If
way?
you guys were still in, I want to be in. I want to be in. I would say bottom of that whole thing, 78 at the most. We'll see.
That bottom is a pretty good bottom.
Give you my bottoms. Oh, and that's a suck up.
That is
And I
a
might get stopped out here.
Pretty
I got
dirty
stopped.
suck up.
I got stopped.
Pretty dirty. Yo. All right, here's the plan.
Lock in, bro.
Here's your plan. Flip your
Lock in.
flip your cam back.
No. It actually has to stay like this.
Oh my god. Buenos dias, Flacqua. What is up?
Actually has to stay like this because no one tells me what to do.
I understand. I understand.
And just because you guys said that, there. You guys want it back? I brought it back then.
No, I don't.
There.
No, I don't. I don't want it back. I don't want it back. I really don't.
Guys, it's back already. There's 700. Full 700 reclaim. That's 720.
I want to see an actual close.
Buenos dias, Flacuas.
I want to see an actual close before I do anything.
Yeah, but did you see what Flacuisi said?
Buenos dias.
Can
Is
you
that
say it
a-
in French?
Is that a muchachos?
Can you say it in French?
Finally got past the TPT trailing drawdown. W.
Wait, JJ, say it in French. Say it in
How
French.
much do I need to start trading? I have the most perfect
Say it
video
in
for you to
French,
watch.
bro.
Bro, hold on.
I have to hold on for you to say it in French?
Yeah, you gotta wait. Don't worry, I got you. I got you, Wong. You could start extremely cheap. Like you can literally start with like $50 by using props. Do you know what props are? Prop firms? Well, I will teach you right now. Go watch this video. It's super short. We made it for this exact reason. So you can learn exactly how we are trading.
Sometimes when I touch,
There you go, Wong.
the arguments seem like too much. When we see this dance, we
The bottom
like
of
to
my
sing
ADR high
along.
is at 710. So if we lose this, I think we could fully see a sweep of. I think we can go back to 600 high key. We need to fully break this down though.
Sometimes
man, no
when
problem.
I touch,
The honesty's too much. TBH, to be honest. Why do you want to speaks? Good morning, Khan Yeezus. What is up? What's today? Day 4 of the funded? Day 5.
I'm
Day
not trading them
5.
today.
Oh, I understand. What are you trading?
I'm trading my TPT, which is also a funded, but don't want to touch the actual fundeds today. It's a Friday. I suck
understand.
on Fridays. And would rather trade safe than sorry.
I understand. TBH, to be honest.
Huh? Oh,
Oh,
TOF. My bad, G.
Oh, yeah, you did say TPT. You are slightly dyslexic. Well, here's the breakdown. Breakdown. Nice, very kind. For all the people that are on YouTube, it is 100% free to join the stream. And if you're going to grab any props, make sure to use code PHUB to get the best discount. Very nice.
Let's see. Testing 50 here. Does it get that full reclaim? Question mark, question mark. Understandable question marks.
Bottom of my ADR high is 6.7.
Wow. Look at that.
Right there. See, are we going to hold it? Are we going to reject off it? The potentials are potentialing. We will see. Do we have news today? No, we do not. Not anything substantial, at least. Not anything substantial. I'm just chilling, sitting on hands right now, waiting. There could be potential for a scalp short, but I need to see this candle actually reject properly on the 2. And then we would be very kind. The honesty's too much. 80 would have to be the top of that to get a proper rejection. My voice. Ha. All right. Are we going to get the propers of rejections? Are we going to just full recover? Structurally, that is actually a really good bottom.
Hey yo, what do you say, guys?
If you
Did you
look
guys
at
hear
the
that?
830 to 842 pullback,
I know you guys heard that, right?
bounced straight off that.
This guy's looking structurally for good bottoms. Does
I don't know
anyone
what you're
meet
talking
the
about.
criteria?
No, I don't
Does
know what
anyone
you're
meet the
talking
criteria for JJ?
Hmm.
He also wants to go long in the bottom. That's
about.
crazy.
I don't know what you're talking about.
That's crazy. Guys, today's Free Game Friday. You know what that means? Let's do some segments, give away some free accounts. What you think about that, Jono?
Ooh. I would like some giveaways. Some giveaway potentials.
He wants a ducky race.
Ooh, a duck
VDV.
race?
Well,
Duck
no.
race
We
giveaway?
want people to come up.
A duck race giveaway would be pretty hot. For real,
Retest
for
of
real.
that 80. I think it could pop.
I think you potentially might be right.
Let's see.
Gotta wait and see.
Dun, 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 dun.
Got to wait and see. For the potentials.
Can you explain what potentials means? Because you say that a lot.
Potentials basically is like how much potentials do you
There it
actually have?
goes.
There's 700. Now, do we actually hold the 700 and go? Oh, I'm not sure.
Looks pretty healthy right now. I want to see it above 720, which is our open structure.
Opens?
Open up and dance.
The openliest structures?
I want you to open up and dance.
I understand. I really do. Oh, we did get a close on the 2 above that 7. Here's the retestings. The retesting potentials. Potentially for the retesting. I'd want to see a reclaim of 7.
I'll give it to you right here.
The reclaims?
Yeah, there.
Hmm.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. I mean, what?
You asked for 700. I gave you 700. What do you want?
Hmm.
So greedy. Am I right, guys? Alphamir's between the bottoms. That's crazy. How you guys doing today?
Whoa.
How's everyone doing?
I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing good.
Why
I'm
someone-
feeling
Is
good.
everyone quiet today, or is that just me?
In chat, you mean?
Yeah.
I see the potentials.
You
Of
are quiet. No,
everyone being
no one's
quiet?
talking. I don't know how
Real
I feel
chat.
about this.
Why you just chilling, chat?
I feel like no one's talking today, and you know what? I'm getting sad. And you know
Aw.
what they say about dancing? Sometimes when we touch,
It always seems too much.
when you're looking through the looking glass tonight. Dance competition.
Imagine.
I'm down.
Could
Rams
you
started off.
even imagine?
Sorry, I'm in a meeting. You know I'm mouthy. Hey, yo, Cite, what? Cite, you're what? You naughty, naughty boy. Holy. I bet your girl loves you for that multi-multis. Bad boy.
This is two closing in like 3 seconds.
I'm on the phone, so I can only listen.
Are we gonna hit a reclaim or are we just gonna continue downwards?
Going to work. May the green be with you. Oh, I love that. You too, Alibaba.
We need the reclaims, for reals.
Sometimes when it's touchings.
It always seems too much.
Yeah, that's why I wanted 720. Ooh! I like when you do that.
Nice.
Very nice when you do that. I like it.
I would like to see a pop. No Baplius, no Caplius.
Mhm. I like when you say that.
But we are holding below 7 right now. If we don't reclaim on this candle, I will expect probably a dumper sense. Probably. Here we go, getting a little suck. Another retest of 7. Are we gonna get that reclaim, brother?
Brotherly list longs.
Are we gonna get that reclaim, brother?
Brotherly list longs.
What's your bias on the day? For real.
Mine?
Yeah.
I just don't like it.
I understand.
I said once it broke 500, it did that overnight. I was looking for longs. That thing went up 300-ish points. And then from this point here, I'm just literally playing structure and extensions.
Yeah.
It's what happens when you're at ATH. ATH usually cooks me. So definitely trying to play it a lot more conservative. Obviously took some scalps this morning, but we'll see for any continuation moves from here.
I don't mind that retest, but gotta wait. Got to be very patient and very nice. Now, if this sucks up past 705, I could see a potential retest of 720 again. Which I would not mind. Because sometimes when we touch,
There it is. Let's see.
it always seems too much.
What's it going to give you now, John? Let's see.
Dun, 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 teeny, 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 doo. 10, holding above 700. Very calm, very quiet.
Very collected. He's collecting.
And it looks like we are rejecting. And we are rejecting. Very nice, very kind.
Long Baba, Buffett said.
Well, you know how it is. Sometimes when we touch,
Honesty, it will just be too much.
way too much.
That's the thing. And like, it's nothing that we haven't said before, you know?
Yeah. 100%. For reals.
Goodness.
For reals. What a suck.
Wow. And then the dumpies.
Hmm.
We are just sideways right now, guys. Stay patient. Let's try to wait this out and see what we can do when the boogeyman, he comes for
The
you.
boogeyman is chasing you, bad boys, bad boys.
Hey.
What you gonna do?
Hey. Continue. What you're going to do when he's coming for
What
you.
you're going to do when the boogeyman comes for you? Bad boys, bad boys.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Hey.
What are
Wow,
you
there
doing?
you go. Let's see if we can get above 720 here. Oh, position into something decent. Otherwise, we're going to see that. Probably get a little retest of that 20. Holy shit.
Sharp buckets?
Yeah, it's literally sharp bucketing.
His PA is doggy water. Real for real for real.
For real, on ganglious cons.
MNQ and MNQ are
You know, that's my ATM setting. It's
What?
ganglious con.
Really?
Yeah.
Very nice.
So what do you guys have planned for the weekend? There's 80 people in here. No one's talking. There's a few people that had excuses. How about if I had excuses and I never showed up to stream? Huh? Huh?
What if I was excusing?
How would it you excuse? Achoo! Do you excuse me? Valorant all day. Ha ha. Is that all you do? Is that a full-time job?
Sometimes when we
Get drunk
die.
and go to a concert. Ooh, what kind of genre are we talking though?
What's
CT?
concert things?
CT, I feel like you're a rock kind of fellow. Genre. Ha. Indie pop this. Ooh, I love some indie pop. You talking
what's the specific concert?
like Noah? Ooh, can we get the Papa 720 guys? Literally came back for the retest.
Bro, all these
Getting
comments on last post actually banger.
Getting some work done on the house in a month, so I'm gonna spend all weekend clearing out all the rooms and putting stuff into storage. Exciting stuff. ... Not. Did you like the way I read that? Was it very expressive?
That was very expressions.
Like if you were a kid and I was reading you a book, would you have said, "Huh, I like this a lot"? Ooh.
I don't know about all
Ooh.
What do you call
Ooh.
your
This thing's
traders?
flushings.
What?
She's splashings. She's pooping.
What do you call
Oh
two fur
my
traders
goodness.
in a canoe?
She's poopings.
I don't know.
She's pooping. What do you do? What do you do when she's coming for the poops? Oh
I don't know.
my
What do you
goodness.
call two fur traders in a canoe?
Guys, she's pooping.
What do you call them?
What do you call that one? It's pooping.
Jay, how are you gonna tell me a setup to a joke and not even say the joke?
Yeah, who wants to come on stage since it's a nothing burger right now? Who wants to tell him a joke?
No, I don't want to hear the jokes.
Yeah, how about this?
Mm.
I'll do like we both choose a prop. So I'll say I choose like TOF. Say you choose Lucid. If I make you laugh, then you have to give away a Lucid. If you make me laugh, then I have to give away a TOF.
So what I choose is what you give away? Or what I choose is what I give away?
What you choose is what you give away.
Okay, I'm gonna choose to give away Lucids.
And I'll give away TOF. And I don't laugh very much because I'm not a happy boy. I'm very angry. Here's 250. I want to see if we can get a bounce skis or 650. Whoa, big flushers. She's losing herself in the mood. Bicamon, Mickey Mouse.
Bro, I really gotta go.
There's
to the
630. That's pivot low. Go use it.
Okay.
Bye. I'll take both. You think you're funny? There's 650 and 660. I think we can probably get the reclaim now. Look at that thing rip off that pivot low. And that would have been my PT right there, to be honest. Wow. Bottom base. Looking like disgrace. 680. 690. 700. That's insane. That was quick. That definitely popped accounts. Who just got wrecked there? I know someone just got wrecked. 100%. Kamara said me. Oh no, Kamara. Oh no. Don't say that. Oh. Took one micro, made a hundy. WJ. WJ. David, you got wrecked or you took a dub? was without an SL and 5 micros. Ouch. Wrecked. Oh no. 1 micro made 35. Nice. Here it is at 700 again. Oh my goodness. Just trying. What do you think happens here now, Rams? He said he hopes he keeps going. There's 710. Dean. And 720. Now, does it reject here? Wow. Sucky, sucky. Mother of a... Holy shit. Look at that thing. Now she just broke out, guys. I might actually put the fundeds on. Okay, you know what? Rhymes, I'm going to switch. Sorry. See if we can actually get something here, guys. $740. Can we get a retrace to that 720? There it is. And I'm going to position in with an SL at 709.75.
Oh, you are printing. Very nice. Nice, very kind.
Back to break even right there. Let's see.
Wrecked. Wait, David, how'd you get wrecked? What happened?
When you left, it literally dropped like a shit ton and then reclaimed right away.
Oh, and he was long earlier?
Or he was in one of those positions. It literally dropped from 718 all the way down to 630 and then reclaimed all the way up to 740. So literally more than 100 points.
Damn.
Yep.
That is kind of a cook. That is kind of a cook.
And this thing's coming back down. Let's see if we can get the suck. I have my SL right now, guys. I'm going to keep it at 707.5. 707.5. I want this to sit on 20 and then have a push. Wanted that retest of the 720, which you guys heard me say. And then I got in at a shitty fill, 730. But still not invalidated. If it were to close underneath, I would say literally 720. Then it's kind of in that no man's land again.
I do like that SL. It's like right below ADR highs high. Top of ADR high. Very nice. Very.
Might get tapped out here. Yep, tapped out.
Oh, good. Small little loss.
$700 again.
I was about to take a short. The trade of it? Wait,
Oh, that pushed all the way down to 72.
why is there a gap on your chart? I don't have that gap
What are you talking about?
on your trading view.
I don't have a gap.
Yeah, you do. Like I don't have that.
I'm on a
gap.
1 minute.
Yeah, I'm on a 1 minute.
Oh yeah, go now.
Oh, huh, this guy tricked the system.
Oh, look at that
Yeah, look at that
suck up,
stock up,
guys.
reclaim at 700. 4 reels. Fridays. When PA is mostly caca shit. Sometimes. Yeah, that little range though. Once we close above that, I think 720 high key. Maybe a little higher. 721. Close above that. That's when we'll probably get an actual push. Cause sometimes when we touch. The chat, should we do a the comedy giveaway today again? I thought it was pretty banger last time. Damn, Discord chat's quiet today. Holy.
That's what I said, bro. No one wants to talk.
Like, no, holy. Everybody's finger and butt apparently.
It's kind of hot.
Hmm.
Don't turn me on. Do not
Oh man,
turn me on, baby.
don't get me too excited.
Don't get me excited. Finger in the butt. I'm
Finger in
going to
the
get banned on
what?
TikTok again. Oh,
Finger
here
in
it is
the
off
what?
700.
Got wrecked last night, blew my express. Damn. Yo, high key, whoever's like not consistently profitable, you should not be trading outside of New York. Like, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Like if you have premium and you're taking the premium calls, then that's another thing. Like yesterday, Aces 500 call, absolute banger. Ripped 300 points. You literally could have just let it run. But if you're struggling, limit yourself.
I'm gonna take a long here, guys. Oh, really tight SL. Would still need to break 720. So if you guys are looking for like this quick scalp, then you guys could get dynamic at like 715. There it is. There's 720 first PT. But I would like to see this thing get a lot more of a move.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But we'll see. I have it super tight, so I could easily get stopped.
SL is valid though. That close is not bad either. Extend that wick.
For 25.
Break that 720. Get a nice little rippy.
Getting sucked up right now. And do I get tapped? Let's see. I don't know, on the next episode of the Pokemans.
The next episode of Dragon Ball
Of the
Z.
Pokemon, I just got tapped. So
Yeah.
that went to PT. Like I said, if you guys want the conservative take, it was there. I just want to trade that a lot tighter. And I might actually take it again. It's still valid.
For me, the tightest valid SL would be like 87.
Yep.
Like 86. Looser than that would be like 78. But even then, you could just wait for full confirmation above 720.
There it is again, guys. 715, 720 once again. And there's 725. So I'm going to move my
Very
SL
nice.
tighter now in profit. There we go.
Very nice.
730. Good retake. And don't suck up now. That is so whack. There's 725. Break 730. I'll put my SL to 24.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I
like that.
dropped it 23.25 right now. It's testing that 30. Could break out. We'll see. And I got tapped.
Potentials.
But
Good
nice
recovery, though.
nice recovery there. Ugh.
Mm-hmm. No. Cover.
A little scalpy off the little. What is that? 30-minute base.
I actually do like that close. We just gotta hold now. Hold that 730. 720 max. For traders.
Furry.
I don't get Jay's joke. Am I slow?
What are two lesbians in a canoe? You get it?
Okay,
Fur
explain it.
traders.
Explain it.
Okay. When back in the day, when there were traders, not like traders. Do you know what I mean? But
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
think of like the Aboriginals,
Hmm.
right? But they're also lesbians, so they're rubbing on their furs. They're exchanging of the furs. Oh, you laughed. Does he get an account?
No, he's not on stage, and we didn't say it.
There's that continuation, guys. Like I said, this thing could
Beauty.
easily rip. If we can fully reclaim 750, this trade is going bonkers, but we'll see. What is production yapping about over there, guys?
He is Jeppersons. I see, so I do need explanation for it. That was a nice long. That was very hot. Very nice. Nice, very kind.
Give you
Can you
something to
move your trading
render.
view so we can see the price scale on Tradeovate? Oh, I thought we fixed that already.
We did here.
Li-
Second.
Little more. There you go. Good catch, Alpha Mir. Very nice. Cause sometimes when we touch
Seem too much when we argue and we're fighting over again.
two.
Cause sometimes we touchings. It
It's
will always
always
be
too
too much.
much.
Cause when the day is over, you have done it again. Oh, coming down like a merry-go-round. Sugar. It's
But Jay just
come down
has
to
all the
some-
jokes.
Does he?
Why did the pony ask for a glass of water?
Why?
Hmm.
To get to the other side.
It was a little horse.
Horrible. Oh,
I-
you
it,
laughed.
was, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad.
You laughed.
Been in here so long, I'm singing along. Yeah, W007. W007.
Too much inks.
Oh man. I actually don't mind that retest for people who are still in the
I'll
long.
give you a retest.
What?
I'll give you a retest, is what I've said. I'm gonna scalp on my other account.
Ugh. Holy, I'm so gassed, bro.
You're gassy?
Having no food? Shit.
Have you thought about eating?
I don't know. I'm trying to think. Like 72 hours potentially. When did I eat
Potentials.
last?
You guys
don't
think he has potentials?
Based on my contention, I'm trying to remember when I ate.
Contentionals. Have you ever heard of contentions?
I think I probably ate at like 7 or 8 on Tuesday.
Ooh, sucking.
So 8 p.m. Wednesdays, 24, and then
I almost just want to get
48.
scalpy.
Thursday.
No, I shouldn't.
Only water or coffee? Yeah, just water, coffee, and Monster.
Anything 0 cal, really. Might take that short. I'm not even gonna lie, and then just SL at the highs.
Off that 750.
Yeah. Keep it insanely tight right there. If it goes back under, I'm taking it and tight ass.
Yeah.
56.
I feel like those trades are always worth taking. Like the 5 point of risk. For
Should
potential
technically be a
tops.
little more, but whatever. Could easily pop. 57 at the most.
6 point SL. Only need 350 to pass eval. Let's go. Duh.
W. It's holding now. Let's see. Getting wiki. My fill is 51.25, guys.
Could get a nice potential suck down. Flip red. There we go. Continues.
It's a decent hold of it. Probably gonna get stopped out. It held pretty
Yeah,
decent.
I wanted to
Yep.
see it push past like 42.
That held decent.
Too muchings.
It will always seem too
Oh my
much.
god, Jay has another one. I feel like he's googling jokes. Yo, you want to update?
Oi.
How do you stop a bull from charging? Cancel its credit card. I feel like I can come up with a better joke on the spot. Let me think.
There you go.
Yeah, there it is.
Gonna take it again. I sell at those highs.
Wow.
PA is actually asked.
For real. Like, for real.
Any breaks again of that low, then I'm actually gonna get into a full position and just hold this.
I have a joke, but it is. I understand. I'm doing the lamest one I know. Yeah, that makes more sense. For sure.
Take the loss. That's $387.
Do you really think we don't
Lost.
make
There we
all-time high though?
go. Oh, okay. I went into green for 3.1 seconds. And let's see if it gets stopped. Testing 60. Be even more risky with my stop. To be honest, if I lose this next trade, I might lock out because I'm not trying to blow my accounts on a Friday when I know it's not my best trading day.
Yeah.
Plus,
On a regular day, I think this short would be really nice.
we killed it this week too. So
For real. I gave 007 the go ahead in chat. And depending, I might. What's the difference between a garbanzo bean and a chickpea? I never had a garbanzo bean on my face. Ha! But he has had a chickpea on his face. That's pretty good. I like that. W Sportsman.
I think you laughed. Does he get an account?
Oversized PDLL. Zulu. It is what it is. What is the difference between an elevator? Wow. That one is pretty. That one would get us banned on YouTube for sure. Today I asked my phone, Siri, why am I still single? And it activated the front camera.
One can raise a family. Yeah, the black man.
I understand.
Because the elevator was down.
I understand.
I fixed it. It can now be said on YouTube. Exactly.
Why can't you find elephants in trees? Why?
Why? Tell me why.
Because they're good at camouflage? It's one of those jokes. It's very funny.
Wait, what does that mean?
Why do elephants paint
one
their
of-
balls red?
One of those
Why?
jokes. Because it's one of those jokes.
I'm waiting for the second part. So they can hide in cherry trees?
Waiting for the punchline. But the only thing he's punched is my eye.
Very interesting.
Very nice. Very kind.
What is the loudest sound heard in the jungle? I don't know what.
A tree falling.
Giraffes eating cherries? All right.
You get it? I feel like you don't get that one.
Wait, is that the end of the joke?
Yeah,
Oh,
he doesn't get it.
I get it because the giraffe is like biting on the elephant. Is that the joke? And then the elephant goes,
Bad boy, John.
"Was that it? Did I get it?"
John is being a bad boy.
Ha! That was very funny.
John is being a very bad boy.
Sorry, honestly, I probably would laugh if I wasn't,
Locked in.
dying from fasting. Good job, buddy. Huh, thank you. Very nice. I did it again. Everyone's pulling jokes. He's done it again. What do you call a group of pandas?
Might get stopped out here. It's approaching, and
I don't know.
might
What do you
call it
call?
here, guys. Might have to call it here.
Yeah, I'm calling it
I think so, to be honest.
Friday. Dookie Garbanzo, PA. But it's okay. Still super green week. An
Oh.
embarrassment. Isn't that actually real? I swear that's
Yeah,
just
I'm
a
not
fact.
extending that L. The account is still green.
Hey,
Overall,
Zulu. PDLL, but taking a payout today.
W.
That's all it's about, baby. W Zulu in the
W
chat for the
Zulu.
payout. Very nice.
All right,
and
should
very
we make
kind.
people laugh and let's continue the stream?
Giveaways? All right.
Yeah.
Who wants to come up on stage? Raise your hand. There's an actual raise hand button on the stage on the bottom of your screen. If you hover over, there's a little hand that's like, hello.
I'm cold today. Wow. If I had
Who
my
wants?
SL a
Who
little
wants
bit
to
more.
win the account? Come on stage, make us laugh, and win an account. Who would like to do it?
Who would like to dance?
Kamara, bet. Here we go. Kamara, you've been invited.
Kamar would like to dance. Sometimes.
How
she
is
went
it going? He is
cautious.
back. The legend who is
Oh,
one of the
man, I can't even
first
hear
on
him.
stage. Oh, you have to put your headphones? Okay, while he's getting his headphones set up, Kamara, how has trading been lately?
Today,
How have you
busted.
been lately?
Yeah?
But good first payout, but
Hear him.
today I blew up the account. So yeah, didn't have the
Hey, that's
stop loss.
okay.
These weeks are crazy.
You got the payout. That's all that matters. How did that feel getting your first payout?
Awesome. Makes it feel that it's possible. So yeah.
Yeah.
And thank you guys. I honestly, I'm not using you guys as entry points, only as confluence. So I'm trying to do my stuff and give me confidence. So thank you.
You're welcome. And hey, that's all it's about. We are not financial advisors. This is for entertainment purposes only. Can you hear, by the way?
I hear him now.
All right. Kamara, here we go. You're back. And I would love to hear this joke.
Yeah. So why did the gay man got fired from his job at the sperm bank?
Uh-oh.
He got
Why?
caught drinking on the job.
I would too, because I love it so much. It tastes so yummy.
You know what we should do? There's actually a few people that want to come up and speak. You want to hear all of them, and then we choose the best one?
Sure.
Okay, we'll do that. Kamara, you've been entered into this.
See you guys.
You didn't
Thank
make
you.
us laugh, but I'm giving you a chance here. All right. Zulu, here we go. Ace is low on vitamin D. Ha! Oh. That doesn't count. You're not on stage. Zulu.
Zulus.
There he is, Mr.
Zulu.
Zulu.
Oh man, the things I would do to you.
All right. Here we go. Let's get right into it.
Wait, we don't hear
We
you.
can't hear you. We can't hear you. He doesn't even have his mic connect.
Zulu, you've done it again.
Mr. Zulu. He has done it again. Unprepared on the stage. Oh, and he's gone.
That was the joke.
Okay, while Zulu figures his stuff out, Jay, you've been invited. Don't worry, Zulu. Figure it out. Jay, welcome. Do you have a cam?
I don't.
You don't?
I'm
that's
driving
like -2
too.
points. Oh, okay, that's fine.
Okay, wait.
What?
I'm feeling giggly for a second. Okay, I'm good.
Okay,
Okay, you guys
All
ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
What is the worst combination of illnesses?
don't know
Alzheimer's
what.
and diarrhea. You're running but can't remember where.
That's actually really good. That's really good.
I thought it
I
was
didn't
pretty
laugh. I thought no,
You're laughing.
that's
I see
actually
you
really good.
laughing inside.
I wasn't laughing. I was smiling. There's a big
I
difference.
could.
Okay.
It was coming on. I could see it.
It was close. It was close. All right. Jay, we'll let you know if you win. We're just gonna bring the winner back up and actually hear another joke because I feel like Jay has some bangers. Zulu, did you figure it out, or does anybody else want to come up? I'm inviting Zulu. What do you think so far? Who almost made you laugh the closest?
I think
understand.
myself. In my head, I'm saying jokes, and I am so funny.
Bro.
It's like I've done it again. See?
Pondi's
You
is
laugh.
actually so good. Zulu. Oh, here we
Figured it
go.
out. I had
Yo,
to
how
push the
about this?
talk on.
Wait, 1 second, Zulu. You can stay up here. But John, if I make you laugh, you have to give him away an account. How about that?
Okay, bet.
Okay.
If you make me laugh, I'll give Zulu an account. How about that?
I don't know if that's fair.
Natural selection. He's already on stage.
Is that so?
Okay, fine. Okay, we'll do a duck race. How about that? That's
Okay,
fair.
okay.
Because he has a chance.
But
to
you
win
have to
right now.
watch me on actual camera for the footage. Okay?
All right, I'm ready.
So there was a magician, right? And his name was Pondy. I've done it again. You're laughing. I hear you going.
I'm not even making any noise.
I've done it again, guys. He's laughed.
All right, 0 out of 10. Haha. Zulu.
I thought it was funny.
Nah, it was kind of. Yo, Zulu, what did you think? Was that funny?
I enjoyed it.
It's funny.
All right, he enjoyed it. I understand. Anyway, what is your joke, Zulu?
Okay, so I got two of my favorite jokes from like when I was a kid. So there's three brothers who find a pile of brick, and they decide to see who can throw the
I
brick
love
the
when there's
highest.
three
But
guys.
the only problem is they can't tell from the ground how high the bricks are going to go, but they're surrounded by mud. So they say, hey, if we throw them high enough, we can see how far it sinks into the mud. So everyone agrees that's a great idea. The first guy takes the bricks, throws it straight up, and when it comes down, it sinks a foot into the mud. The second guy, he says, I can beat that. He winds up, throws it even higher, and it lands 3 feet into the mud. The third guy comes up, winds up, and throws it right in the air, and it doesn't come back down. Okay, so the other joke is a woman, she wants to fly with her mother, but she wants to bring her parrot.
Wait,
But
wait,
the
wait,
only-
wait, wait. There needs to be a little gap between the jokes. Because I only started laughing because you're like, okay, next joke.
All right.
I wasn't laughing.
So
Okay.
I was
Oh, you
laughing at
laughed.
like the lack of intermission.
Okay, it's okay. Let him continue. Here we go.
Oh, someone knows the joke. So the second joke is that a woman wants to go to her mother and she wants to bring her parrot because her mother loves her parrot, but she can't afford anything other than the ticket on the no parrot, no smoking airlines. So she thinks, well, I can get away with it. So she sneaks the parrot into her jacket. She feeds it like a bunch of crackers and a bunch of food on the plane. And so she gets on the plane and sits down and they've taken off and they've hit cruising altitude. And the pilot comes out and he walks down and he starts greeting everyone. Says, "Hi, how's everyone going?" And then he comes up to the lady and he says, "How are you?" And she says, "Everything is great." And then the pilot, he hears, "Squawk, Polly wants a cracker." And the pilot says, "What was that?" And she says, "Nothing." And then again, the pilot hears, "Squawk, Polly wants a cracker." And the pilot's getting pretty upset, so he lights a cigarette. And this is the no parrot, no smoking airlines. And then she says, "Hey, you can't smoke." And he said, "Well, you can't have a parrot." And he rips open her jacket, grabs a parrot, opens up the window, and throws it outside. And she's getting all mad and everything. And the pilot just storms back to the cockpit. And a few moments later, the pilot just hears a knock. He hears a knock on the window and he looks to the side. Guess what he sees?
What?
He sees the parrot holding the brick. Nothing. All right. Well, I'll see myself out.
Is that a laugh?
I don't know if that counts. I don't know if that counts. The setup was. I actually do like the setup. The setup was great, but I feel like someone ruined it in chat because
You know what
I
it
saw
was?
someone say same joke, and then I was expecting something about the brick, so it didn't hit the same.
Yeah.
So
It's because
whoever,
I knew that it was a setup to the next joke.
yeah, yeah. So someone kind of gave you.
Someone
they
ruined it
nerfed
for you, Zulu.
They
You know
nerfed
what?
your joke.
Go
That's
talk
not
shit
fair.
to them in chat. Be like, yo, you ruined my chances. You owe me an account. Look at that
Who was that?
flush right now,
King
guys.
Caps.
Holy
L King
shit.
Caps.
Wait, did anyone just take in that freaking dumpy?
Wait, Zulu, real
Oh
quick before
my
you leave.
goodness.
How was your trading this week?
This week was good, but just oversized on that one funded, and yeah, I took that L. But other than that, yeah, really good. Just taking it slow.
Nice.
Good shit. Getting close to a payout or what?
I got one payout on the one funded, and then TPT should pass that eval next week.
Beautiful. Man, payouts on TPT, that's a banger.
Yeah,
That's
just
a banger
I
for real.
failed 3 fundeds on TPT just because of that trailing drawdown.
Yeah, trailing drawdown is hard. You can't really oversize on TPTs. You'll just get cooked.
Yeah, just take those base hits.
For real, for real. Ace, do you want to ask Mr. Zulu anything?
No, Zulu, I love you.
Love you guys. Bye.
I love him too. Kick him off the stage. Bow. Get out of here, Zulu. Who do you think you are with your brick? Cite, $550 on 4 evals. W. I hope
Nice.
you pass all 4 of those. Lady Wolf said the reaction was funny. So you're saying that we are actually the funny ones. I understand. Nah, I wrote it down, but sold it before the big dump, kicking myself for bailing. I understand. That was a pretty fast wick, though. I cannot lie. What was that? It was like almost 25 point tuck up. All right, well, guys, remember, if you're going to use any props whatsoever, make sure to use code
Wait, is that it?
PHUB. No, I'm just doing a little,
Oh.
we are going to do the charity thing for sick kids and probably make a video on it so that you guys can see. And then we're going to start the other charity. Do you want to give them a quick update for those who don't know for what's happening on Monday?
I won't be here.
But he will be on stream
I will be on stream.
trading. But he is going to be in the Dominican Republic. Very nice, very kind. He's going to be on vacation.
Did you do a salute?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I'm not
Who
allowed
are
to
you
salute.
saluting to?
I'm saluting the Dominican Republic, the Republic of Dominica. My husband and I have come to the decision we don't want children. If anyone does, please send me your contact info and we will drop them off tomorrow.
Rhymes has been laughing
That's
at
actually
all
good.
the jokes.
I like that. I know. I hear him in the background going. What does a dress wear? I don't know. Wong said, "I want a kid." $300 away from passing 250K selects. Let's get it Monday. Good shit. You love to see it. Very nice, very kind. Yo, Benji, are you gonna like
Continue that
continue
joke?
the joke, or am I
or
just like sitting here in suspense?
am I just holding my cock in my hand?
Am I just like
Am I just like chopped liver to you? Huh?
chilling?
What am I to you? Huh? Am I just chopping of the livers to you? Huh?
Adri said I lost basically all my accounts this week, so I'm gonna take this weekend to reset. Adri, do you want to come up on stage and talk about it?
You
Because
wanna-
this week was a banger week. Like we had a super green week. We had a bunch of people taking payouts, PDPTs, passing evals. So would you like to come up and say what you did wrong? Why does Barbie never get pregnant? Because Ken comes in another box. That's a good one.
I think you left.
That's a good one. Yeah, but we're not doing it anymore.
Why not? Someone come on stage and make this guy laugh.
Wait, who are we giving the account?
No one was funny.
I know, but I'm for the peoples. I want to give away accounts.
I want them to be funny. And you know what? You guys are not funny. So I'm going to be funny. John, I have a joke for you.
Okay.
It's going to be a series of things that I might do.
Are you going to say anything?
I like when we just look at each other. It's funny how John's so silent right now, huh, guys? Guys, he's so quiet right now. Guys, he doesn't realize it wasn't a joke, it was a prank. He's been talking and look, there's nothing he's been saying. He still doesn't know. I really did get you. You've been muted this whole time. I've done it again. Yeah, we've done it, Eric. I made everyone laugh. I've done it again. I've done it again. He's laughing. He's laughing. I've done it again. Big prank setup.
Well played. That was pretty good.
I get an
actually.
account.
That was pretty good.
I get an account. I get an account. I've
Oh,
always
man.
wanted an account because
That was actually good.
accounting.
This week literally just taught me if I have something going on with family and household stuff, I should just put off trading for a bit because it affects it really bad. 100%. We talk about this all the time, actually.
What do we talk about?
Anytime you have something going on in your real life that's like messing with your mental, it's actually the best thing you could do is not trade. Like, to be honest. Like, you might think, oh yeah, but like I should just like follow my whatever. But like, how do I say this? It's honestly better to just not build habits during the time where your like mental's not on point. And like, yeah, you might miss out shit, and like, yeah, you might look back on the chart and be like, oh, I would have actually taken that, and I would have been more green this week. But I'm telling you, there's like a way higher chance of you just making stupid decisions or getting FOMO or just tilting and like blowing an account than there is of you trading properly. And everyone has real life shit going on. So anytime that you're tweaking in the background, just take a day off, reset. Everything will be fine. Maybe just take a rest for this weekend, for real. Hey, listen, all it takes is like 1.5 good weeks of you having a good mental and following your system, and that's a payout. It's like honestly that simple. Yup, anytime I go into trading feeling frustrated or angry, I do very poorly, 100%. Ace, you probably have some shit to say on that. About how when your mental is like cooked in real life.
I mean,
how
I
it
was
affects
a
trading.
perfect example of it last week.
Exactly.
Literally, guys, I was not trading on any fundeds. Maybe I did like one straight to funded and that was it. Wasn't copy trading the full setup. And then next thing you know, I had passed all my evals, was only trading evals. You guys need to know when like to actually take the break. Otherwise, you will get rocked.
For real. Especially if you're using weekends to like backtest and look at charts. You gotta realize like sometimes you'll be on a 20-day streak of just staring at charts. And sometimes you need a break.
Sometimes when we touch, it will always seem too much.
Oh man. All right. Well, what do you think? Stream over. I'm gonna miss these people on the
I
weekend.
think so.
I'm gonna miss these people. There is a lot of shit coming to Prophub though.
Like what, John?
I mean, we haven't announced it yet. I did put a message. Oh, also, yo, guys, get more live in the general chat. You know what I mean? Make some friends. Talk about some charts and some shit, or just like random stuff. I don't care. What do we say? What's coming?
You tell me.
I put a message in the general chat the other day saying basically everything you've seen up until this point has been the beta, which I actually do believe it, because there's gonna be like some, and it's not some like little shit like, oh, new fucking prop partner or whatever. Like, no, it's like some pretty big chunks in the actual Discord itself, and probably a major WAP announcement. I don't want to say it yet. I don't want to say it till it's like ready or until we're closer. I'm talking about May. That's like one of them.
Yeah.
The big ones.
That's a big one.
So I don't want to bring it up yet, but just know
That
there's like a
is big fat
ridiculous,
news.
like it's probably the biggest news that like we would have announced so far. How are you guys doing as a business? Ace, do you want to take that? I've been talking for a while and I'm losing my voice.
Pretty shit, but we have faith in the projections.
There's faith.
There's faith.
We have faith in you guys to engage with our socials and help us grow
Yeah.
and get bigger.
You guys just have to continue to support us, and hopefully we can keep doing better for you guys. That's essentially it.
And that's all it is. You know, we could make business boom way easier by
Being caplious,
Yeah.
gurus, and flexing a Lambo and like all that kind of stuff.
buying views and shit because fake views convert into real views. Like the other day, did I send you that screenshot of that guy I found who was like fully botting views?
I know who you're talking. Your friend, or not your
No,
friend,
no,
the
no.
guy that went to your school.
No,
Oh, who?
I saw a account the other day. Literally, his top 3 posts. It was like 27 million views, 18 million views, 9 million views, and he had 400 followers.
Yeah, no,
And I was like,
I believe
huh.
that.
Wow, very, very interesting. You know what I mean? Which sounds like that wouldn't convert, but like it actually low-key does. Because like when you bought 10 million views and then 9 million real people actually see it, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
But like fuck that shit. The whole point of Prophub is to be the most transparent and to build everything legit because we think long term that's like how you actually build a community. And some of the biggest communities right now, I promise you, in the next 2 years they will die because they'll just like you can't hide behind the veil of just lying to everybody for like so long.
yeah. The industry is all smoke and mirrors, guys. You guys just have to look through the BS and find who's legitimate at the end of the day.
For real. And it's some of the biggest people. I'm talking hundreds and hundreds of thousands of followers that are just straight up lying to everybody and they don't give a fuck because they're making money off them.
Yep.
You know? So if we wanted to blow our socials, we can go rent a few Lambos and Raris for a day, show a bunch of fake screenshots of ridiculous payouts and fake clients, you know, fake clients, customers showing, oh my God, look, I followed this guy, I made 100K. I'm not
Oh, yeah.
saying anything.
Thanks
but
for
yeah.
asking that.
Great stream, absolute dub, fantastic week. Anybody who not financial advice watched us and used us as educational purposes only, you're definitely green on the week. Like there's no other way to be red. My top one didn't copy trade. You think it's because I didn't sign the contract? 100%. If you didn't sign the contract, that account technically isn't active.
I agree.
And yeah, we will see all you guys on Monday. Ace is going to be probably on a very nice balcony or something.
Yeah, I'll be somewhere.
Oh, who won the joke? We have to give it to someone. Should we do a 3-man duck race? Fuck it. Just because they all came up on stage? Real quick. I could set it up. It's literally just 3 people.
He will set it up for you guys.
Real quick. We're going to do a 3-man duck race. So everyone has a very,
Wow.
very nice chance.
I don't know if you guys are still watching the chart. That thing finally popped.
All right, names. Is everyone still here? Zulu, you here? Jay and I know Kamara's here. Kamara, Jay. Done. We're gonna do a nice 15 seconds set. I'm going to share my screen. You guys can see that? All right, Jay's here, Zulu's here, and Kamara's here. Look at that. 3-man duck race. Are
I
we
love when
ready?
there's 3 men.
Do you want to do the Big
All
Bang
you,
Boom?
baby.
Oh, come on, you do it. I always do
I
it.
always do it.
I always
I did
do
the
it.
last few. Literally all last. And it was running on my computer. Yeah.
All right, ready? Jay, Kamara, and Zulu. Who's
Rams
going
do it.
to win the account?
They said Rams. They want Rams to do it. But
Rams
they
said
said
no.
they want you to do it.
And start. Here we go. Let's see. We got Jay wearing a hat. We got Kamara looking very nice. And we got Zulu with ears. Wow, they're like low-key tied. Oh, no way, Zulu. Oh, no
Zulu
way.
with ears.
No way. It's going to be close. Is it
I
going to be
like
a
when
last
you said
second? Is
that.
it going to be Kamara? And there you go. Very, very simple. Very, very nice. Kamara, congratulations. Not only did you get your first payout this week, but you're also getting another account. Why not? You know what I mean? Very nice. Make sure open up a ticket. Go to support. Open up a ticket. Let them know. It's going to be a Lucid. What do we have?
25K.
Lucid Flex 25K account. Absolutely beautiful. Zulu, and Jay. Better luck next time. And that is it. Wow, we actually did get a nice pop all the way back to 800.
Yeah.
We love you, and we will see you all
Next time.
next time.